Here's a leadership truth that will save you years of frustration. Your team isn't resisting change. They're resisting overwhelm because big change feels impossible. New processes feel complicated. New expectations feel heavy. And that means resistance will win. But the Gleicher formula, it tells you exactly why. Remember, D times V times F has to be greater than R. And you can have all the dissatisfaction in the world, a crystal clear vision. But if you don't give your people clear, simple, winnable first steps, then F equals 0. And when F equals 0, the entire equation collapses. I'm Chris Hunsaker, and this is the Dealership War Room. Leadership fire, 7 minutes, built daily, fueled intentionally, and delivered relentlessly. So today, let's dive in on how to get really clear, winnable first next steps and absolutely destroy resistance in your store. Let's cut straight to it. Your team does not need a perfect plan. They need the first 3 steps. That's it. The reason most change efforts fail is because leaders almost always approach it from the 100-foot level. But your people, your team, the ones who have to absolutely execute, they experience it at the 3-foot level. You say, we're improving the TO process. We're going to get service communication going again. We're going to tighten follow-up. We're going to get CSI back on track. But that's the 100-foot view. Your people are thinking, okay, what do I do today? How do I not screw this up? What's the first thing that you want from me? What do I need to do next? A GM I coach was rolling out a brand new recon plan, complete overhaul, timelines, approvals, tech flow, internal pay plans, everything. He had charts, he had documents, he had beautiful slides, and everybody was completely exhausted before they even started. They weren't resisting change. They were drowning in complexity. So we scrapped the entire presentation and replaced it with this. Here are the first 3 steps. Number 1, all cars get checked in within 2 hours of arrival. Number 2, all tech decisions are made by noon daily. Number 3, all cars are status updated twice daily. No excuses, no exceptions. That's it. The whole thing turned around. Why? Because human beings can handle change in small doses, not big leaps. 3 steps feels doable. 3 steps feels safe. And 3 steps feels winnable. And here's the most important part. Momentum beats perfection. When your team experiences early wins, resistance drops, belief increases, and identity starts to shift. Because small wins create confidence, and confidence creates consistency. And this is the essence of success. That's how you engineer change from the inside out. So let's cross the execution bridge and turn insight into action. I invite you for today, pick one area that you're trying to create change and roll out and write out what are the first 3 steps, not the plan, not the 37-step workflow, not the future vision, just the first 3 steps. Ask yourself, what makes it winnable? What creates confidence? What can they execute today? And how can you create some small initial wins? And then write it down, execute it, and then watch how resistance slowly starts to drop and people buy in and start to execute your plan. If you want help in breaking down your change, your things into simple, executable steps that your team can see, know, understand, and implement, then text the word change to the number that you see on the screen, and we'll instantly send you access to our AI executive assistant. Think of it as a chatbot that's going to absolutely help you build momentum, create clarity, identify next steps, and win whatever you need to change in your store, not just today, but tomorrow and long into the future. Think of it as your daily partner in momentum, in building, in changing, and actually creating the kind of change that moves the number in your store and the metrics on your dashboard. Tomorrow, we're going to dive into the 4th element of the formula, resistance, why your people push back, and how you can melt resistance without using any kind of force. But you're in the war room now, so go out today, create some leadership fire, and I'll see you tomorrow in the Dealership War Room.